In this video, I'm showing you how to animate a button on Figma. Let's get right to it. The first thing I'll do is to create a frame and give it a height of 60. Let's make this button bigger. Then round the edges, change the color to this, and add a text. Upload. Upload. Bring it here and bring this upload icon next to the text. Make sure it's aligned to the center and align them to the center of this frame. Then change this color to this. Now the next thing you want to do is to duplicate these texts and icon. Duplicate them, change the color to white. Now replace this icon. Cut it, replace it with this one, then change the text to done. Then select these two elements and drag them back into this frame. Then drag it down, holding space button. Then the next thing you do is duplicate this frame. Slowly drag this text out of the frame. Make sure you're holding space. Centralize this icon. Then create a rectangle. Give it this color. Make sure it's covering your button. And drag it out of the frame. This way. Then duplicate this frame. Then that rectangle, that hidden rectangle, we use it to cover the whole frame and send it to the back. Now take this icon and change the color to white. Then duplicate this frame here, duplicate it and slowly drag this icon out of the frame. Then take this this text and this icon, the one here, and drag it to the center of this frame. Now the next thing you do is go to prototype. Take this first frame and link it to the second frame. Leave it on click, change this to Smart Animate. Then link this second frame to the third frame. Change it to after delay. Change this value to 300. Leave it on Smart Animate. Then change this to easy and close it. Then the third frame, link it to the fourth frame. Change this to after delay. Change this to 300 and change this to ease in back and close it. Then preview your prototype here. Back to the first frame and you click. That's how to animate a button on Figma. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.